Hello and welcome. I am Phalla from khmertutor.com. Today you will learn one of Khmer consonant Ro. Ro has R sound. Here are some examples. Rom, rom, rien, rien, robam, robam. នារីកំពុងរៀនរាំរបាំនារីកំពុងរៀនរាំរបាំ And now you have learned one of Khmer consonant Ro. I hope this lesson is useful and thanks for your support, subscribe, like and a good comment. If you want to learn Khmer with me, go to my website khmertutor.com and send me a message. Thank you for watching. See you next lesson. Bye.